So this is the chapter 4, segment 3. I'm doing the single gene effects on behavior. Huntington's disease is a progressive degenerative disorder characterized by abrupt involuntary movements and profound changes in mental functioning. The allele for Huntington's is dominant. Children of people with Huntington's can choose to be tested to see if they carry the allele. PKU is an inherited disorder of protein metabolism in which the absence of an enzyme leads to a toxic buildup of certain compounds causing intellectual disability. Those with PKU simply avoid eating foods containing phenylalanine. Genes that affect sensory systems can have a strong effect on behavior. Our sensory cells make several highly specialized proteins that allow it to detect the physical events around us. Males have a higher risk for color blindness because it's on the X chromosome, which males only have one of. Controlled by our genes. Genes do influence alcoholism, schizophrenia, depression, sexual orientation, eating habits, sleeping habits, hair pulling, and autism. However, no single gene can account for all of these cases, so it's important to understand how genes work. Many genes affect behavior. Twin studies confirm genetic contribution to schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a disabling mental disorder characterized by hallucinations, delusions, disordered thinking, and emotional withdrawal. There's a strong argument for a genetic component to having schizophrenia. Confounding variables are a third factor that affects both variables of interest, causing them to covary even though neither has any causal effect on the other. Shared genes and shared environments would be the two variables, and you can't decide which one is the correct one. A twin study is a study of identical twins used to estimate heritability of certain traits. Monozygotic twins are also called identical twins, and they're derived from a single fertilized egg. Meanwhile, dizygotic twins are often called fraternal twins or non-identical twins, and they're derived from two separate eggs. Twin studies are useful because they grow up in the same environment under the same conditions. Monozygotic twins tend to act more alike than dizygotic twins. Concordant is referring to any trait that is seen in both individuals of a pair of twins, and discordant is referring to any trait that is seen in only one of the individuals in a pair of twins. It has been proven that more monozygotic twins are concordant for traits because they're more genetically identical. What does it mean if a behavior is heritable? Well, heritable is a trait that is influenced by one or more genes inherited from one's parents, and heritability is a statistical estimate of the extent to which individual differences in genes in a population contribute to individual differences in a trait.